한방. Come on. So guys, morning they are seeing Tizit village. Our ma'am is with us in Tizit village. So feel so blessed. As I said before. So tradition mahan alag alag katake. And this is kochu. We used to call yam in English, and we're gonna have this yam. It might be new for you, but let me show you how they have this. And in our older times, our forefathers depend on this for the food. There was no rice; we just depend on it. So I'll show you. Whole night, it mohan boil gurse, and I'm gonna taigi dikhao gane it try gurse. So let us peel this cover first. You take one. You take any piece of yam.
Okay.
So see, hand like this. One, see, the cover will be peel out. Yeah. All the covers.
Just put it here?
Yeah, just right. Everything should be together here.
One.
On one. Yeah. Just take it out, everything, peel it out.
Okay,
You
nice.
can have it right now, and this is pickled for us.
Okay.
I think it's too hot. It does, yeah.
It just tastes like sweet potatoes. It's very good. Wow.
Most of the villagers make a farm and they go for vegetable for this. Yeah.
This is so good.
Thank you.
I love it.
You can have that.
Is it spicy?
No, not much.
Do I eat it like together?
Yeah. Little bit because a little bit spicy. So you have water, yeah? I think it's spicy. You got it?
No.
So
It's spicy.
spicy. Oh my god. Yeah. I already experienced from the childhood, so we just
With one?
with one also we can make it this possible, yeah. And take it out like this.
Oh wow.
And see.
Mine is so messy. Oh, it's hot.
Whenever we reach to my native village, there will be another new experience.
It's so much better than the bigger yams.
The bigger yam is with us, but it's too tasty. The small one is too tasty.
So good. It's very sweet.
After this, we'll have breakfast, heavy breakfast. It's just a breakfast. If you want to taste, you can taste as much as you can.
Wow.
So this is so good. It is the mango dikhai diya ase mohan laga ani mitai nga khai ase gonna dikhai diya ase. So let's enjoy, and from today onward we're gonna move out from Tizit to Longba, Myanmar border, India Myanmar border, where the King Palace is divided into two countries. We're gonna reach out to that place. After that, we will back to my native village, Sanghi village, and we'll explore the street about the Sanghi village. And we planning to go back, coming back to this place again, and we'll move out to another place. So let's enjoy the vlogs, guys.
Yum.
It's so tasty. After date, we don't have much space. So, but the camera it's very much simple. Naga dal, a gauri mangso, and chutney, and a plate, and another plate is wow, cute. You know, time iman khata hoye. Ajila din bhi kiman khata ho man ko na pare. We are about to visit Myanmar border, and we're gonna meet with the king. I hope that we'll have a best moment together with Longwas peoples, and we're gonna go back from that place to Sangni village. After that, we are planning to back here again, and we have another plans. So many invitations, oh my god. So sorry, like kunuba invitation there, I think we can't be able to attend because of CTO. In advance, I would like to say so sorry. If possible, we'll try to reach everywhere, but it depends on Memo. It's not depend on me, but it depends on Mem. With Mem only, I'll be there. Whenever he is in Konyak areas, I'll be with her only. So I don't know whether his schedule can reveal all the time or not. And I have received all the invitation card and all. So thank you so much first of all. But let's see whether we can reveal our time or not. We'll discuss and we will update everything with you guys here. Thank you.